Bethany Car Wash. So maybe next time, if you want to join, we've got lots of vehicles for you to help on. Thank you. Go get back to work.
It's a wonderful day, and we're doing a car wash with our manager Teresa, and we're loving it. And the power, we've got the power, and we're gonna show you what this really can do.
Talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash. Woo, woo, woo.
At Bethany Care, we go the extra mile.
Yes, we do.
Work and work. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those rags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. I can't wait till it's
Welcome. It's so loud over there behind me.
hey.